These are the newest Nano Banana Pro prompts you guys asked for, and they're even crazier than part 2. And the last 4 will blow your mind. If you use this time-split storytelling prompt and just replace the location and eras, Nano Banana Pro creates a single cinematic frame where the past and present exist together. On one side, you'll see the location 100 years ago, old architecture, vintage vehicles, historical clothing, newspapers, suitcases, all of it. On the other side, the same place in modern times. Glass buildings, LED screens. But here's the best part. In the center, the two timelines blend together. People from different eras look at each other. Buildings morph from old stone into modern glass. And the storytelling detail is next level. This next one looks like pure visual magic. If you use this prompt, Nano Banana Pro creates a hyper-realistic photo illusion where the subject inside a photo spills into the real world. For example, here I used water. You can see the ocean inside the photo, but the water actually flows out of the photo frame, splashing onto the table. I also tried this with lava, and it looks insane. The lava glows, steams, and oozes out of the photo like it's real. This works incredibly well for thumbnails, Instagram posts, creative branding, print design, album covers. Now this one is super creative. If you use this food map art prompt, Nano Banana Pro recreates an entire country using only traditional food. Here's Pakistan, sculpted entirely from local dishes and ingredients, landmarks made of food, terrain shaped by spices, grains, and textures. I'm also doing this for Mexico, China, and Japan, and each country keeps its cultural food identity perfectly. The top-down macro lighting, dark slate background, and rich textures make it look like gourmet food art. This is perfect for cultural content, travel visuals, educational posts. Before we move to the next use case, quick reminder, everything you're seeing in this video, the prompt structure, the workflows, all of this is already organized step by step inside my Nano Banana Pro prompt guide. Inside the guide, you get complete copy-paste prompt templates, full workflow breakdowns, and 50+ crazy professional use cases just like these. So instead of guessing or experimenting for weeks, you can just follow proven systems and get results immediately. You'll find the direct link to the guide in the description and pinned comment. This one never gets old. If you use this floating city poster prompt and replace the city name, Nano Banana Pro creates a cinematic floating island shaped like a real city. The city floats above the clouds, packed with iconic landmarks, natural landscapes, and cultural symbols. And the city name is literally carved into the terrain in giant 3D letters. I tested this with Beijing, New York, and Istanbul, and each one looks like a high-budget movie poster. With birds, cinematic lighting, aerial perspective, and cloud reflections, these look insanely premium. Now this one is pure advertising gold. If you use this glossy commercial pose prompt and upload your product image, Nano Banana Pro creates a full campaign-style product shot. You get a consistent female model, posed naturally around an oversized version of your product, like a real studio shoot. For this example, I used Digital Assets energy drink. She's sitting sideways on a giant can, one leg resting on top, the other extended forward, leaning back casually, and holding a normal-sized can in her hand. The lighting is glossy, the background is clean, and the product stays 100% accurate. No logo distortion, no shape changes. I also tested the same prompt with DS Aura perfume, and it looks like a luxury fragrance campaign you'd see on a billboard. This one is super personal and insanely realistic. If you upload your own photo and use this prompt, Nano Banana Pro places you under bright green northern lights, standing on snowy ground at night. Your face stays 100% accurate, expressions remain natural, and the lighting adapts perfectly to the aurora. It looks like you actually traveled to see the northern lights. Now this is a pro-level creator tool. If you use this 3x3 cinematic grid prompt, Nano Banana Pro generates 9 different camera angles of the same subject, all perfectly consistent. Same outfit, same environment, same lighting direction. But each frame shows a different shot: close-up, medium, wide, low angle, high angle, over the shoulder, profile, rear view. I also did it with a runner stretching at dawn, surrounded by mist and soft light, and the consistency is crazy good. Now this one is insanely satisfying. If you use this isometric diorama prompt and just replace the movie or show name, Nano Banana Pro turns iconic scenes into miniature, collectible-style dioramas. Everything is rendered in a 45-degree top-down view, with soft textures, realistic materials, and clean lighting, like a premium display toy. I tested this with Squid Game, red light, green light. You get the giant doll, the open field, tiny frozen players, all sitting on a raised diorama base with a clean background and title text on top. Then I tried Breaking Bad. The desert, the RV, Walter and Jesse as tiny stylized figures. It looks like something you'd buy as a collector piece. And this money heist vault scene looks absolutely insane. Gold vault doors, cash bundles, red jumpsuits, perfectly centered and ultra clean. These are perfect for posters, thumbnails, fan art, Instagram carousels, merch concepts, NFT-style collectibles. It's like turning movies into premium miniature art. This next one feels unreal, but it's fully photorealistic. If you use this cloud illusion prompt, Nano Banana Pro creates natural storm clouds that secretly form recognizable shapes. At first glance, it just looks like a dramatic sky. But then you see it. A lion mid-roar, formed entirely by swirling clouds. Even a dragon shape emerging naturally from thunderheads. There's no fantasy glow, no magical effects, just real clouds, sunlight breaking through, and pure atmospheric realism. Now this one is straight up art. If you use this botanical collage prompt, Nano Banana Pro builds entire scenes using only leaves, petals, stems, and flowers. No paint, no illustration. Everything is formed from real plant textures. I tested this with a child flying a kite, the silhouette made from petals, the hill shaped from herbs, the kite string made of dried grass. And this couple dancing under moonlight looks unbelievably emotional. Rose petals for clothing, ivy leaves for movement, dew droplets everywhere. The macro detail, the moisture, the layered composition, it feels like a museum-level botanical artwork. This is perfect for editorial art, book covers, posters, print designs, and high-end creative projects. If you want to master Nano Banana Pro properly, my full Nano Banana Pro prompt guide has everything you need. Step-by-step workflows, cool, ready-to-use templates, and 70+ insane creative use cases, just like the ones you saw in this video. I also update the guide regularly with new prompts, new workflows, and fresh creative ideas, so you're always ahead. And if you want me to make next part, comment part 4. And if you missed the previous 2 parts of cool Nano Banana Pro prompts, you must check them here.